Welcome to Origami Paper Art channel. I am back with a new paper art video. In this video we are making Origami Wolverine clothes. To make it, you need a origami sheet, a fabric and a scale. Fold this side to this end. Now take a scale and cut it from this line. Now unfold it and fold it to this side. Now fold the side half. Do same at this side also. Now fold this side also half. Do same at this side also. Now fold this side from this line to this side. Fold it again at the another side. Now turn it and fold it down from this point. Assemble these folds. Now fold it half of the paper. Fold at this side also. Now fold this small corner. Fold this small corner also. Now unfold this side and fold it like this. Do same at this side also. Now fold it like this. Now fold this side down. Now fold it this side again. Now you need a fabric to paste it. Now press this side. side like this. Now make it dry for some times. Friends, you have to make 3 more also like this. Now wear these in your fingers. So friends, our Origami Wolverine clothes are ready. Please like, share and comment this video and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for more updates.